So you two, they support the sit at home what they do today?
Yeah. Now, Baba, na the Kalo now.
So more they sit down for us. Well, no wahala. Today,
me, I sit down.
Okay, no.
No, my house where I did.
You did ask now, like
no, you did me now.
You did ask, but he did work. See, Oga say he did ask. Oga say he did ask. Hi guys, you're welcome to our channel. Yeah, this is a Monday. Yeah, just about 12 Monday in the city of Enugu. I decided to take a walk around my street. Let me hear the views of people about the sit at home and to also ask them who they intend to vote for in this forthcoming presidential election. Yes, I just want to take a walk around the street of Goshen and ask some random questions for as many as we can find on the streets. Today is Monday, as you know. We are still sitting at home in the eastern part of Nigeria, precisely Enugu. So let's go check it out. What be your own name, Ross?
My name is Prosper.
Prosper.
Yeah. And you?
Collins. But you did vote for this election?
I don't even have a voter's card.
You don't have a voter's card? Maka why now?
And the stress in the measurement. I want to be hating anything in Nigerian election. But if I won't go now, I go collect voters card and I cause of people I won't go.
Yeah, so do them because of everybody. Most people they do them because of who they want to vote for.
Yes.
You understand?
Yes.
So to you now, you know I make the sit at home end like this. You want to make it? You want to make it? Till they give Biafra, you don't want to make it end.
In the week that when the people of Israelite were heading to their promised land, they passed a lot of suffering on their way.
So now promised land we they go now, so we got enjoy the suffering.
Now when they say promised land, no, you say, yeah, we that the but we don't get our freedom, we get our freedom, then we now enjoy the fruit of the land.
Okay. What? Okay, you two, you want to vote for now? Who you want to vote for?
For governor or president?
President.
Igbo man, why I won't vote for?
As a Igbo man when did there. He's supposed Abitabi you want to vote for?
Yeah.
You come from Enugu State?
Now my village be this now.
Are you serious?
Yeah.
You don't get your voter's card?
You dey campaign now.
So a lot of now they go vote for Peter Abi.
You dey campaign.
That's good though. So you two they support the sit at home what they do today?
Yeah. Now Baba na the Kalo now.
So more they sit down for us. Well, no wahala. Since I don't talk, who will be now? When Nasimo will sit down, we'll go sit down for us. But you not sit down today, oh?
Me, I sit down.
Okay, no.
Not in my house where I did.
You did ask now, like
no, you did me now.
You did ask, but he did work. See, Oga say he did ask, Oga say he did ask, but he did work. Why you not get PVC now?
I can do BBC, I never do.
Wait, don't close now. Why you not do this? I don't close them now. For doing sense now. But who you want to vote for before?
Okay, I guess you're going to give, make it give.
So you not get candidates?
No, my candidate I make it. Then we're not saying we give them.
Hey, you know, it's bad of people that say candidates are get. You funny when I'm small. He say candidate are get. No, but I don't close, I don't close. If I go do things now.
Because even to any person who have voted, if they win, nobody will remember me.
Abi.
So, they're good.
No wahala. No wahala.
Okay.
What?
I never took it, never.
My name is
Ikechukwu. Okay, I'm Collins by name. So just asking a few random questions. Today is Monday and today is sit at home in Enugu. So what's your take on the sit at home?
Well, it's a cause that the Southeasterners are trying to push. Well, it has both its merits and the demerits. It's a region that feels they've been marginalized, and they feel this is a way to press home their demands. But of course, it has some, you would say, economic impact too on the Southeast. But of course, you have to make sacrifices for you to gain something. So you don't just if you want to make a cause, if you want to make a change, you have to make sacrifices. And I think, would you say it's a sacrifice that is worth doing? I don't know, but some will just have to make sacrifices.
It's okay. So the forthcoming election is around the corner. So who is your preferred candidate?
Well, I would settle with the Labour candidate.
Peter Obi.
Peter Obi, yes.
It's okay. Thank you for your time. Peter Obi it is. You have your PVC, right?
Yes, very close to my house. So I'll be voting on that day.
It's okay.
And if possible, I want to serve as a polling unit agent for them, free of charge, pro bono, so that I can ensure that nobody will rig out what I will do.
It's okay. No wahala. We are waiting for the election day. Thank you for your time.
Thank you.
Okay, good afternoon.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yeah, please, what's the name?
Ben.
Okay, I'm Collins by name. Just want to ask you a few questions. Today is Monday and it's sit at home.
Yeah.
So what's your take on the sit at home?
Well, to be sincere, I'm tired of it, but what do I do? The government has the power.
Well, it's not the government that is causing the sit at home now, it's the people.
Yes, if you say it's the people, I will say yes, I will say no. Why I say yes is that when you think about what is happening in our society, especially the government as a whole, you know that it's a particular set of people that are controlling the minds of people with money, not with their own, with money, because there's hunger in the land, so they are there to take the bribe. So, but if you check the other side, why I say no is that we can say no to this situation, but we need a man that can stand for us, that will not be corrupt, that can tell us the truth, that can tell us, okay, we don't have money, truly we don't have money. We have money, we have money. But in this situation, we don't have anything to say, except we change the government. How? By changing our president.
Okay, so 2023 election, who do you intend to vote for?
Obi, of course.
You have your PVC?
Yes, I have one.
Oh, you are voting for Obi?
Yes, sir.
All right, thank you very much.
You're welcome.